Alaska is a state of the United States. Alaska is located in the northwest of the North American continent, and the Alaska Peninsula is the largest peninsula in the Western Hemisphere. Alaska is full of adventure like trekking, hiking, biking, fishing, camping. Wildlife events from bears to whales are here. There are skiing, snowboarding, dog sled tours and more in Alaska that will make your trip more exciting. 17 of the 20 highest peaks in the United States are in Alaska. Denali, the highest peak in North America, is 20,320 feet above sea level. Alaska has more than 3,000 rivers and more than 3 million lakes. The largest, Lake Iliamna, covers 1,000 square miles. Alaska has approximately 100,000 glaciers and the largest is Malaspina at 850 square miles. Alaska has 6,640 miles of coastline and, including islands, 33,904 miles of coastline. Alaska has over 70 potentially active volcanoes. The most violent volcanic eruption of the century occurred in 1912. Approximately 5,000 earthquakes occur in Alaska each year. 3 of the 10 strongest earthquakes recorded in the world occur in Alaska. Alaska's nature has always captivated travelers. So if you want, you can also visit this beautiful state.